box. One more time. Here, Americana. And here, we can do Americana, forward, backward, rotating, clockwise direction. To exit, one more step forward for the leader, backward for the follower, into the back and forth, closing, and again. I repeat it. The box going backward. Then here, Americana. Repeat it. Turning. Now I want to exit. One more step forward, backward for the follower. It links into the forward, backward, and you close it. Let's try. In general, if we do that forward, backward in the Americana, we won't make too many repetitions. Now I will make a synthesis. From the first walking backward, I will go into that Americana. Now look, from here, one more step, that's already the forward backward. And close. Again, from the first one, okay, already. And then, one more step, that's the forward backward. Now, another possibility that is a continuation from this same idea is to make the follower do, this is the forward backward in Americana for the follower, but one time forward and one time backward. So the follower does side and forward, side and backward, side and forward, side and backward. And this makes the rotation to make more sense. Same way to start from the walking backward of the box, and now first is forward, second backward. For the leader it's the same, always forward, backward, but for the follower is Americana, backward, Americana, backward. The exit, she goes backward into the forward, backward, and close. The follower, from the box going backward, meaning forward for the follower, we start first Americana, second backward, then Americana, then backward, then Americana, then backward. And then when the follower goes backward, that's the moment to exit. 2 steps backward, 2 steps forward. And you can close it and start again. So I got more hip movement for the follower. Because it's one time forward, one time backward, one time forward, one time backward. Always with the left leg. Should we try? Guide the follower into going forward and backward is a rotation. That rotation clockwise direction. See, I am already opening my partner to make this step not backward, but more like a side step. And then I am getting on her way to make her step backward. And then I open. And then I close. And then I open. And then I close. This step, no space. And this one, yes, space. So as you rotate, because the follower is kind of moving away from you, let's say, because he's going in the same direction than you, but ahead of you, you can leave that space open or you can close it. So that is part of, it's one more element in addition of the arms and the torso that leads her one time forward, one time backward. Let's try one more time. Let's do a recap of what we did. The change of weight, getting into the mood. Let's try to do this only one. The synthesis, then two. Then cut. Then, okay, we stay here for a while. Try to do the double time walking. And then, the box going backwards. And the element that we've been working now, exit into the forward backward again. Let's try.